Now let's learn how to change yarn colors. First, work 1 single crochet SC with the current yarn. After working 2 single crochets SC in total with the green yarn, prepare to switch to the new yarn color. Elongate the last loop on your crochet hook from the previous yarn. Use the hook to pick up the 2 adjacent loops from the stitches you just worked. Take the new yarn color and hold its tail tightly against the inside of the fabric to secure it. Then yarn over with the orange yarn, then pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. Now the first stitch with the new yarn color is now completed, and the yarn change is done. For the second stitch, hold both the green yarn tail and orange yarn tail together. Tuck them against the inside of the fabric to keep them hidden. Yarn over with the working orange yarn, then pull it through the loops to complete the second stitch, ensuring the 2 tails stay pressed against the back of the new loop as you work. Tucking the yarn tails inside the fabric serves to prevent the yarn from coming loose as you work. Continue working additional single crochets SC with the orange yarn. Keep the hidden yarn tails pressed against the inside of the fabric to maintain a neat appearance on the front. Use the same method to switch from orange yarn back to green yarn. First, elongate the last loop of the orange yarn on your hook. Insert your crochet hook through the 2 adjacent loops. Then take the green yarn, yarn over, and pull it through the 2 loops. Now the yarn change back to green is now completed. Continue to tuck the excess orange yarn tail inside the fabric as you work with the green yarn. Make sure the orange yarn tail is fully hidden to keep the surface of the fabric neat and prevent it from coming loose later.